What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in, all the things. Today's video is not going to be current footage. I have, well, here, I'll show you. I've had a lot of home projects. I've got a lot of crap going on. I haven't had time to get out and do any fishing as of late. I think I'm going to get out with the kayak maybe next weekend, so I'll make sure to put together a video for that. This video, the footage was actually in a video that I made, a trip that I did in Alaska like a year and a half ago. But this segment is where we did a bunch of pike fishing. This particular lake is called Trapper Lake. I think it's accessible by airplane only. My buddy was a bush pilot, or is a bush pilot, so he was able to get us in there, do a little fishing. It was dope. There used to be a lot of salmon there. Now it's all pike, and there's like a kill on site order form, so everyone you catch you have to kill. So which is a little funky. I'm not really used to that, but it was cool. Whatever. It's part of the gig, man. It's a sport. I thought this bit deserved its own video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it too. Here we go. Have a small window of time before my flight back to Southern California, so we're going to do some pike fishing for about an hour. Stick with me, and we'll see if we can hook into something. I got one also. Did you get one? Yeah. Dude, I can't believe we just doubled up. I can't believe we caught northern pike.
Here, let me get a close-up of you. Your first one. You ready? One.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. Oh my God. All right, I'm ready.
Okay, ready? One.
Sweet. Go pike action. Mandatory kill, so let's whack them. Oh my God, dude. I freaking one that was probably like that big just came up. That was crazy. All right, we be fishing. Well then if he's there, just jig it up and down. Oh, me too. I'm getting bit right here also. Oh, I'm on. Woo! Maybe I stole yours, dude. I might have accidentally. Sorry about that. All right. Are you? Keep doing your thing.
Need my help, or are you good?
Nope, I'm good. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Another one. Super dope. Sucks we gotta kill these guys, but oh well. What I need to do is just not get bit and get it out of him. There we are. How long do you think that is, dude? 15?
Yeah,
16?
At least. Yeah, it's about 15.
That's one thing these fish are good at, is tangling the line though. So they're flipping all over the place. Oh, that wasn't hard at all. All right, cool. I think it's, I mean, I guess pike will bite anything, but I think it's funny that they're eating salmon lures, right? You know? Trolling action while we move. On again. On the troll. Dude, that's a nice one. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking huge.
Oh my god, I got knots in the line and everything. All right, I'll deal with it later. I'm just gonna throw it back out there. Maybe I'll hook up another one. All right.
Are you brave enough to pick it up?
Yep. Yeah, oh yeah.
All right, when you are.
I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm doing here. All right.
They have a hell of a mouth.
Yeah. Now, you know what I'm gonna do? This is what I'm gonna do. Well, at least we're doing a service to the people of Alaska. There we go. Now I should have him. Okay. Yep. Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna dispatch him. Jesus Christ. This lake is crawling with these things.
I can see why we don't have salmon runs up here anymore.
Yeah, no kidding. So, I guess you don't have to be right up on shore to catch them, obviously. They're everywhere. Well, you know, I've never dispatched a pike before, but like I said, you just gotta frickin', with fishing, you just try everything out, you know, like, I don't know. All right. But yeah, I'll just drift right into those things, and if I need to untangle it with the prop, I will. Or, I don't know. I can't tell if this is a good one or not. Jesus. Yeah, he's a little guy. Not, I mean, still not little, but, you know.
It's a pretty good size.
Yeah.
It's over a foot.
Yeah. There we go. Nice little pike. Whoa. There we go. Oh. All right.
Yeah, well, for
Yeah, I think you should, honestly. Like, take advantage while we're here. Oh my God. Well, he released himself, but I think maybe the lure is just brighter.
I can't tell.
Yeah, I don't know.
You didn't have any weight on.
No, I lost my weight. So, all right, time to dispatch him. Get off the grass there. There we go. This is a nice rod, man. I like this rod. Yeah.
Never had any desire to own a boat, but that might change as I get older.
Well, you may not be used to this, but it's a very expensive hobby. Oh, I'm on a good one. Oh my God, I'm on a good one. Oh, never mind, it's not that good, but I am on.
Oh, I'm on too.
Yeah, here, neutral. Double up. Just bring him in the boat, just flip him. Yeah. Jesus, dude. And chaos erupts. All right. All right, a couple of more, doubled up. Good stuff. All right, I'll get rid of them both. Yeah, watch that be the one that killed the motor. Dude, I got like Tangle City going on right now. That didn't sound good. I mean, it wants to start. I'm just trying to figure out if it...
Jiggle the handle as you do it. Use that as you turn it.
All right, nice little tow to finish off the day. Never a dull moment, man.